Welcome to day 2 of our 5 minutes over 5 days and 5 ways with the Opulent Oasis Bundle. In the last video, I showed you how to use the impressions mat and to die cut and emboss the flowers. You can leave them plain, but you can also die cut them and add a little color to them. So that's what I thought. I would show you some ideas of coloring your flowers. So we'll already die cut a flower just as the same way as I did yesterday. This one is in Fresh Freesia. So I'm going to get the Fresh Freesia ink pad. I find it easier using a dauber rather than blending brushes because you can just control the amount of ink if you just want a small area. So just ink up the dauber and we just lightly swipe some ink over the center of the flower. Add as much or as little as you like. And I'll just do a little bit extra in the middle there. Now you can also just add a touch to the leaves as well. We're just going on the outer edges. So just adding a few highlights. You can do as much or as little as you like. You could also use the new glimmer brushes. I don't know if you can see that sparkle. It just adds a subtle, you can always go over and add a little extra to it. Now we can also add color elsewhere too. This time I'm going to bring in the white flower that I already die cut. We're going to grab some Daffodil Delight. When I looked at this flower, I thought it looked a little like a frangipani flower. So I just thought I'd add a few little highlights to that. And we'll grab some Granny Apple Green for the leaves. Just the same way, picking up some ink and just adding highlights to the leaves. Now you have those little flowers, which I forgot to. So let's add some extra yellow to those. Gone over it accidentally with the green, but you'll get the idea. You can add as much or as little ink as you like with those. So let's have a look at some finished cards. So one of the Fresh Freesia ones, I added some of the Wink of Stella to the center. I don't know if you can see that. Just adding the highlights, and I've used the Berry Botanical Vellum to finish the card. There's another one with the Freesia. I didn't add sparkle to this one. And for our little frangipani star flower, I've added that to a card front. I added the little ladybug just for a little bit of fun. I wasn't sure after I added that as to whether it worked, but it stuck there, so it stays there. So don't just think you have to leave the flower plain, add a bit of colour to highlight the flowers. I've got a different way of colouring it in the next video. So come back and be sure that you subscribe to the channel on YouTube or to follow me on Facebook. I'm going to bring you some more great ideas for using this bundle, or maybe you've got a different type of die cut flower that you could use these ideas with. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.